In this video, I'm going to let you know specifically about difference between the two roles, the technical role and the functional role. Actually, what is going to happen? I see that so many of the folks and the aspiring business analysts are going to be there, and they just want to jump for. They want to be at a BA role, okay? And specifically, some of them are thinking that once I get into the BA role, then I'll learn and then I can do much more. But for jumping into the BA role, like this role looks pretty easy, but when they are going to give an interview for it, as well as when they are trying to get a job opportunities or trying to reach out to the different people, and at that time they get to know that this is a pretty not that much easy. It requires some research, it requires some kind of a proper data. And I see that on the internet there is like you can get a static data, but for the dynamic data it comes from the experience. Today, I'm going to let you know as a business analyst, suppose you are a fresher or someone who want to do the transition from the like a developer, support, QA role into the BA role, you are going to be kind of a fresher, like for a business analyst role. What things you need to do and what is the role you should go for? Actually, in the market for business analyst role, there are different types of roles are available right now, like a support business analyst there, a process business analyst is there, system business analyst is there, UI business analyst is going to be there, agile business analyst is also going to be there, scrum master come business analyst, product owner come business analyst, product manager come business analyst, data analyst come business analyst. Like tons of roles are going to be there. I can see that 10 to 15 business analyst roles are going to be there. You are going to see the SAP business analyst, AWS business analyst, Salesforce business analyst, Pega business analyst is also going to be there. You are going to see the domain specific business analyst, technology specific business analyst, and this is a lot of confusion, right? Let me tell you two roles on that you need to focus if you're kind of a fresher or just want to jump into the business analyst world. So these are the two roles you want to for like the next 5 to 6 months. You want to give your all the dedication and all the attention to these two roles. So let me tell you, here you can see. So specifically you can see that the technical business analyst and the functional business analyst. So today what we are going to do, we are going to look into the role, the responsibilities, career expectation, and how to do. So these are the important things that we are going to look into. Let's start with the role part. Let me tell you first of all, suppose you are someone who is more interested into the data, playing with the data, how to do the data analysis, as well as there are the different like API integration are going to be there, performing the SQL queries, creating the dashboards. So this role is perfect for you if you are containing some background into these things, or if you are more interested into this thing. Technical business analyst role is the best for you. You need to create a dashboard, you need to perform and manage the data, you need to play. You need to a lot of play with the data, need to tell a story with the data. All the requirement gatherings are going to be related to the data part. So that is the important thing. And some API integrations are also going to be there for integrating with the different systems. Second thing is that let's take to the responsibilities. So your day-to-day responsibility will look like the similar what comes that I mentioned into the role. You need to create a multiple dashboard. You need to maintain that dashboard, as well as you need to mention some kind of a data set or the like a EDW, the enterprise data warehouse they are having, or the field data. You need to like work with the data a lot. And what career expectation you are going to see, you can become like a technical like a lead, like a business analyst lead in the future, as well as you can go for the product manager, product owner role, like from the technical background itself. These are like a career expectation you can set for once you land into the job after for the 5 to 6 years. So you're going to see a very good salary growth, as well as you're going to see a lot of opportunities there. And let's come to the like what functional payroll. Suppose someone is more interested into the processes, how the business function, what kind of the things are going to be there, as well as suppose you love to do the kind of the consulting work. This role is a perfect for you. And what is the responsibility look like there? You need to create a documentation, FRD, PRD, user stories, sprint backlog is going to be there. You need to participate into different meetings. All these responsibilities your day-to-day life will look like. You are going to learn more about a business, about their functionality challenges they are facing. Career expectation from the functional BA, you can become a senior functional business analyst. Then you can jump into the either process or the system business analyst, as well as you can go for the product manager, product owner. And let me tell you one common thing, at one point this technical BA and functional BA role are going to be like a merge into the future. So you're going to see the same opportunities for the future function. Now how to do it? There are several ways to achieve this thing. The best thing you can do, start with your research. For the technical, you need to learn more about a tools part, you need to perform the hands-on. And for the functional, you need to learn more about a business case studies, learn more about about the documentation, different compliances, business processes. That is the one thing that you need to do. I provided resources for the technical BA and functional BA on my LinkedIn page. You can check out that as well. I think this video has helped you. It gives you some clarity. If you have any questions or any doubt related to the business analyst, either you can ping me directly on my LinkedIn or you can just add a comment into this video section.